Hey, what's up guys, Greenstone here. Today we'll be playing Trouble in Terrorist Town at Techstar Airsoft. For those who have never played Trouble in Terrorist Town before, the rules are simple. 2 terrorists will be randomly selected by ref, while everyone else who isn't selected are innocents. The ref will notify everyone the count of innocents and terrorists allowed throughout the game. If you are an innocent, your goal is to find and eliminate the terrorists. If you eliminated another innocent player, you are also eliminated. If you are a terrorist, your goal is to eliminate all innocent players. The game ends when either teams are eliminated.
Hey T-Man. Wanna die?
Hey, we need to get as a group, but I don't trust that little one.
You think he's a demon?
Footsteps to the left or to the right of me.
Oh, you're gonna play that type of card, dude. Oh, come on. You're gonna play that card, pre-game card? Oh, come on. You don't have to play the pre-game card, dude. We could have played like normally.
Alright, let's play normal.
You're right. I did hear footsteps of it. I did hear some on one of y'all. I don't know if y'all wanted it, but you can trust me. I can.
I know. Were you by me?
I was like, I don't know. I was in the back. I don't know.
Hey.
Yeah, murder mystery, but everyone has guns.
Oh god.
Dude, freaking Midnight and LA would have loved this game. They played it back then with me. Huh? Why do we have 4 people here? My gun is holstered. That's all I'm gonna say. You guys look suspicious. No, don't shoot me! Huh? Don't shoot me, please. You're sus.
No, why did you aim it though?
Who?
Why would you just aim it, Jay?
Who? Hey, let's keep it between us, alright? Are you the murderer?
Oh god, I'm not.
Are you sure?
Yeah. Woo! You're back. We don't trust you. Only the group.
Are you sus?
Oh god, I'm not.
I heard footsteps. No, I don't know.
Oh god, I'm not.
Okay. You want to spark some drama by just shooting random bullets all over? That's a joke. That's a joke. I'm not gonna do that. What are you doing? Huh?
Can we do bang bang?
Yeah. Is it over? Ah, it got me on the arm. I can't.
Alright, everybody's eyes shut. Alright, I'm gonna pick 2 terrorists. When I tap your hand, you can look for the other terrorist. If you're first, you're gonna have to look a little bit. Terrorist, find your buddy. Terrorist, have you found your buddy? Alright. Terrorist, shut your eyes. Everybody open your eyes. You may wander around the map. You got 15 seconds to go where you'd like.
You didn't say open your eyes.
Sus.
I'm not sus. Oh god, I'm not. Oh god, we're the terrorists. Hey, come here. Hey, all terrorists
Hey guys, for 50 gold, I'll kill a random innocent if you want.
I don't like shots.
Hand holster. I heard a gunshot down there. Hello.
I don't like that. There's flashing too. Hey, Green.
Huh?
Hold the gun at me. Hold the gun at me. Hold it at me. Detroit Urban Survival.
Oh god. Oh, you're tired.
Come on, let's do it.
No, that's just gonna make everyone sus. His gun is up. Back there. I don't know, that's sus. gun pointing at people. What are you doing, dude? Don't do that. They're gonna be suspicious of you. Unless you are the killer. That dude back there is ducking all around. It looks suspicious. I don't know. I see someone ducking back there. You know, I don't trust you guys at all. I'm just gonna go alone. Why are you following me? Stop following me! Up. Someone's over there suspicious, at least one of them. No. Wait, is there two? No, there's two.
One guy.
There's two. So, someone has to be over there, but it could be one of us, but I don't know.
You're looking sus. Put the gun down, put the gun down.
Wait, did you ask if bang is allowed yet or not yet? Whoa, buddy. I know your hands are up, but that was suspicious. Good point.
Those guys pointed at me.
Who, Smurf?
They went over there.
Oh, okay.
Yes, Smurf.
Dude, Michael. Don't do it, please. Holy mackerel.
I think that was a bit overkill.
We.
No.
Who's the other one? Dude, I have trust issues. I trust people way too much. Good
I
one.
dropped 4 guys back here. I got behind him. I was like, yeah, I didn't know who was shooting on his side because he started shooting.
Terrace, find your buddy. Terrace, close your eyes. Everybody open your eyes. When they wander on the map, Terrace and who your buddies are. Game starting in 20 seconds.
Hey, no, I want to interrogate you. Come back.
You don't trust him.
Come back. Run around the block with my Glock. You're about to get shot. You look sus of it, aren't you?
I think you should just stay right here. Yeah. We keep moving it and not heavy.
You guys, we just want to play cards.
We're all dead.
You guys want to play cards?
Guys, let's play BBs. I put my BB in attack position. I put my BB in attack position.
Oh, wait, we can't sit. We can't sit. Get up. Hi. If you're a terrorist, please don't shoot me. I'm holstered.
It's gonna take me time to fucking do that. I don't want to stop by then.
Why is your finger on the... Oh, no, that's not triggered. Oh, well. Stay far away. Don't get too close. You don't want to agitate him. You know what? I'm just gonna hold it like this. Or actually... I don't know how that's practical. I haven't even... Are you good?
Sweating. Okay.
Okay. Up your mag. And your barrel stock.
Alright, Terrace, look at your buddy. Everybody open your eyes. Game started. You got 15 seconds to disperse.
Oh, whoa, everything's foggy now. What the heck? I just feel like shooting someone for once.
Chill.
I don't know if I got Smurf, but it's whatever. I just feel like satisfaction of.
I felt him walk up. I felt him walk up to us.
How about hey, hey, dude, you're barrel sock. This is not a kill or anything. I'm just gonna yeet it over. You know, Anderson, you stick with me, okay? If he dies, then yeah. Or Anderson, come here. Actually, Anderson, you know what, teammate, come here. How about you just hold me hostage, put the gun by my back of the head, and people won't suspect you. All right.
Wait, you can just say bang bang and we're dead.
Oh shoot, you're right. Wow, no one's gonna trust me? I know you guys are around the corner. I'm not trying to kill y'all. Okay, how should I prove my innocence without getting shot? You know, I'm gonna stand right here, all right? So I don't get shot from back there. Give me my gun? Okay. Hang on. I'll leave it right there. Y'all heard that, right? Good one. Dude, I have trust issues.
It's a dirty game, bro.
Yeah.
It's a real dirty game.
Yeah, good game though.
I felt. Took out the whole field, man. I took out one guy. That was great, man.
You guys.
Terrorist, look at your buddy. Terrorist, do you know who your buddy is? All right, everybody can wake up, open your eyes. Everybody put your mask on, get ready. You guys have 20 seconds to spread around the map. You can go anywhere in the map if you want. I'll let you guys know when the game has started. Once the game has started, feel free to shoot your gun as you please.
But he pulled a good card though.
Alrighty, go out to the
I'm just
field.
turning around, I'm like, someone's looking at me, you know, I'm being pointed at, just stared down.
I should have brought my Glock.
Yeah.
I got an MP5, so it's fine. No AC for that. Maybe we should stick together, and maybe the murder will probably kill everyone else. Maybe. Because if it's us, they're not going to sus us. Make sense? The shooting over there, that's kind of sus.
You don't trust each other.
Hey guys, we have a big group. You want to trust each other? Okay, good. I trust that. No, I'm just saying you want to stay together as a big group? Or is that too sus? All right.
On God? Huh? Wait, what do you say? You said on God. On your life? Huh? On your life, not the terrorist?
I'm a kid. I just camped the whole time.
Oh yeah, see you dead. Hey, on God, you're not the terrorist?
On God. There's only one God in this world. Oh! I realized my gun was on safety this whole time. That's bad. Ah, what the fudge, dude?
Chill. Oh wait, no, that's a rap.
Now he plays sometimes.
You playing?
No clue. Hey, I'll cover this side, y'all.
I saw that guy cross over here. I saw that guy. Whoa, hey! Wait, what are we supposed to do when we die?
So just lay down on the ground pretty much if you die, and just don't talk. Hey, I got a plan. I got a plan. Okay, I guess they don't want to hear my plan.
Huh?
Who shot? Just a moment.
4 civilians are now dead. 6 civilians.
He's on my side. Hit.
Have been eliminated. Everybody meet on short side for the second game.
I used their tactic.
Which one?
I had them all grouped up.
Oh, just
in
lay
one.
low, group up with them?
Yep, and then stay behind. Boom, boom, boom. Kill 4 of them. Welcome to TTT. There are no gods.
Harris, look at your buddy. Harris, do you know who your buddy is? Harris, go back to sleep. Everybody wake up. You have 15 seconds to go on the field.
Okay, I swear to God. Me, you, we go. Because we can't be twice. We can't be twice. Okay. I don't trust it. I don't trust anyone, but I trust you.
My whole thing is fogged. I can't see, so.
It can't be us twice. Also, my fingers.
I can't tell you. My whole thing's fogged. I can't see. Are you aiming at us? Okay. I'll walk away. Oh, hello. We're sandwiched right now. I don't know where we're supposed to go.
Last time this happened, we died.
Why are you pointing your gun at us? All our guns are down.
Why are you coming near me?
You know what? You were right. We're just gonna walk this way.
Alright.
Alright, team, you guys have a tea party here?
Wait, I know who it is. Wait, you're dead? I know who it is. I know who it is. I know who it is. I know one of them. I know one of them. Y'all are safe. Y'all are safe.
Oh, no, it's dead.
It's the guy in the black hoodie.
That's one though, so.
It could be blue. It could be blue. I don't know. Blue, you're looking sus.
Who's back there?
I saw people talking, and then the guy. Wait.
Okay, now we know one's over there at least.
Wait, what?
One is over there and one could be back here.
Two of us look that way. Y'all two look that way.
I'm just saying this right now. The blue shirt guy has been over there for the longest time. I feel like it could be him or her or whoever it is. At the same time, I don't like getting shot from the back, so I'm gonna stay back here. Actually, there's another one back there. I see another one back there, towards the corner.
Wait, I think it's that guy. I think it's that guy back there.
The one crouching all over there.
Yeah, I think it's that guy. I saw him talking. Wait, someone died? Yeah, it's that guy. No! I'm scared.
I got one guy down there. I just can't tell if he's dead or not.
It's definitely that guy. It's definitely that guy. He was talking to Adam before he died. Guys, I say we take him out. One of us do. And if he's not it.
So
I know he touched me. Guys, watch him. He has a hit me.
Who's it? Hit.
Wait, that's only one of them. That's only one of them. That guy over there. Watch out for the back. Watch out for the back. Oh, okay. Wait, what? We won?
Sarah, find your buddy. Sarah, do you know who your buddy is? Go to sleep. Everybody may wake up. You have 15 seconds to go around the field.
Wait. You need me to...
It's inside.
Yeah.
I've been stuck like this for like 3 games now, but I can still see. It's not far from this light.
I don't trust those two. I do not trust those two.
Hey guys, you guys want to play? I'm joking. I'm saying it.
Shoot him. No, I'm kidding. Wait. How did he die?
You died?
Did you die?
Oh, yeah, you can't sit down, unfortunately. I was about to question. I was like, wait. Hey, is this still going on?
Yeah, it's still going.
Okay. Wait, what happened?
I got shot right there whenever we were in posture.
Nah, he can't be murdered twice.
Sus? Sus? Black is sus? Brad, I swear, Brad, you look so suspicious, bro. You sassy.
Nathan, right here.
Sus?
Are you good or dead? Dead? You're dead? What's going on?
I think it's Red and that other guy with the white mask. I don't know.
Who are you shooting? Red. No. No, I trust you. Those two are sus. They've been grouping up for the longest time now. I think we should let them kill each other first before we interact, because I don't know. Move! Hey, sorry. Sorry.